Hi everyone, I'm Divya. Welcome to my channel, The Food Mile. I've been trying to eliminate using maida in baking delicacies. So, is it possible to make bun ladi pav without maida? Yes, it is possible. So, let's begin. First, let's activate the yeast. I've taken 1/4 cup of warm water for 1 tablespoon of active dry yeast. Mix it and set aside. In a bowl, we'll take 1/4 cup of soft butter and to that we'll add 1/8 cup of honey. Let's beat this. Now coming to the eggs, we'll add 2 eggs one at a time and beat. Scrape down the sides. The yeast has got activated. It's completely bubbled up. Let's add it, followed by half cup of warm milk. Let's mix it. Time to add the flour. We'll add 2 cups of whole wheat flour and 3/4 teaspoon of salt. Give it a good mix with spatula. You can blend with blender but only for few seconds just to make sure the salt is distributed evenly. Here we need not knead like regular bread. We just have to bring the dough together and make it smooth. The dough indeed is a wet dough and thus I am not using my hands for kneading. You can add 1 tablespoon of flour to it but not more than that. If the dough is not sticking to your finger, that means it's done. Cling wrap it and leave it for first rise for 1 hour. Let's get the baking tray ready. Grease it with butter. Smart way, right? My baking tray is bit bigger, so planning it to alter its size. Taking this aluminium foil piece which has thick newspaper folded inside. Problem solved. Dust some flour over a towel and keep it ready. The dough has doubled in volume. Let's transfer it down on the towel. Handling dough on the towel is easier. Let's give it a rectangular shape and cut into 8 equal pieces. You can make small 10 pieces too. Now let's give them a good shape. Take one dough piece, push the smoother side up and roll it using your palm in circular motion. Cover it with cling wrap and let's leave it for the second rise for 45 minutes to 1 hour. See how beautifully they have puffed up. Let's brush some milk over them. Be very gentle. Sprinkling some white and black sesame seeds. We will be baking them in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes until it turns golden brown. It baked. Let's brush some butter over them. Just wait for 10 to 15 minutes before demolding. Gonna demold them. These pavs are so soft and tasty, we in fact love them more than the maida ones. Hope you liked this video and the recipe. Do give this recipe a try and share your feedback in comment section. Thank you. Take care. Bye.